Good day everyone, we are the group 6-7. So today, we will demonstrate how a specific method is used to answer a simple question. But first, what is scientific method? It is a step-by-step process used to solve problems through observation, question, hypothesis, analysis, and conclusion. Many students study differently. Some prefer silence while others prefer studying while listening to music. According to N. Kumar et al., listening to music while studying has become a usual practice in the student population. While one group of students would enhance their current efficiency, on the other hand, some research denies such assumptions. Lyrical music has a generally distracting effect on study tasks. Certainly, some researchers about how music impacts students, Lanchan 2024. In this video, we will find out if music can affect students' performance while reviewing.
At this stage, we conceptualize possible questions based on the data that will be answered at the end of the presentation. Question number 1. Does listening to music while reviewing improve students' retention and recall of the information compared in studying in silence? Question number 2. How does music with lyrics versus instrumental music differ in its impact on students' reviewing effectiveness? Question number 3. Does the volume level of the music influence students' focus and comprehension during review sessions? Number 4. Is there significant difference in review performance between the students who listen and those students who don't listen to music?
In my conclusions, we think that students who listen to music during review sessions will achieve better learning outcome than those who review without music. Based on our experiment, reviewing without music was more effective than reviewing with music.
The without music group had an average score of 4.75 out of 5, and the score we got is 5, 5, 5, and 4. While with music group had an average score of 3 out of 5. The data or score we got was 5, 3, 2, and 2. This result shows that studying in a quiet environment helps students stay more focused, understand the lesson better, and avoid distraction. Therefore, for this experiment, reviewing without music was better study method.